Hi, you're welcome to GMAT class. Now let's solve this problem. Solve 9 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2 equals to 3 raised to the power of 5x minus 2. Now how do we solve this problem? Now the first thing you need to look at is the base we have here. Now the base here is 3 while the base here is 9. So we can make them to have the same base. So by expressing this 9 in its index form, 9 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of 2. So now let's write that. So we have 3 raised to the power of 2 replacing this 9 raised to the power of 2. Now we already have a power here. That's x raised to the power of 2 equals to 3 raised to the power of 5x minus 2. Alright, now look at this. You can see they have the same basis. So if these two expressions must be equal, that means that the power 2 must be equal as well. Since the bases are equal, so the power 2 must be equal. So we equate the powers. So we have 2x raised to the power of 2 equals to 5x minus 2. Alright, so we can move everything here to this left hand side. So we have 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So we need to solve this using our factorization method. So the sum here is minus 5. Sum is minus 5 while the product is 4. 2 times 2, 4. The sum is the coefficient of x. So now, what do you need this for? Now you need two numbers such that when you multiply the two numbers together, you have 4 plus 4. And when you add the numbers together, you're going to have minus 5. So what are the two numbers? The two numbers are minus 1 and minus 4. Now you will see, if I say minus 1 times minus 4, I'm going to have plus 4 because minus times minus is plus. Now when you add minus 1 and the minus 4 together, you have minus 5. Okay, so now this left hand side now turns to 2 raised to the power of 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 1x minus 4x plus 2 equals to 0. Hope you get that. So we say minus x minus 4x is the same thing as 5x. Now you now pick this pair. You look for the common factor. Factor is a number that will completely go in each of the terms. So now what will go is x. So the common factor here is x. So when you divide this one by x, you are left with 2x. Divide this by x, you have minus 1. Alright, now look at this now. What's the common factor? The common factor there is minus 2. So when you divide this by minus, you have 2x minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so we can now factor out what we have in the brackets. So we have 2x minus 1. Now the remaining ones, to put them in the bracket, x minus 2 equals to 0. Alright, so we have two numbers multiplying each other now to have 0. So it's either x minus 1 equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. Alright, so now 2x equals to 1. When this minus 1 moves to this side, the sign changes. Or x equals to 2. And now this is the same thing as x equals to 1 over 2 or x equals to 2. This is the solution to the problem. X is 1 over 2 or x equals to 2. So I want to believe you've learned one or two things. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, follow this channel, and also share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.